Vectors, we do this example. So the vector PQ is equal to A and QR is equal to B. Then we know the PS is 3 times QR. So the answer to part A, QP, now P to Q is A, so if you're coming in the opposite direction, it's the same length, just the negative direction. So the answer to this is just minus A. Then part B, vector PR, so we're going from P to R. So we're starting at P, then we're going all the way up to R. So this is the vector PR. So the way we get to R from P, we go through Q. So first we're going to do the vector A, then plus vector B. So P R is equal to A plus B. Vector A plus vector B. Now to answer part C, the vector PS, this vector here, so we are told the vector PS is 3 times QR, so it's basically 3 times the length of QR, so it's 3B. Finally, answer to D, the vector QS, now we're starting from Q and we can finish at S. So we're talking about this vector QS. So first from Q we go to P, then we go to S. Now we know the Q to P is minus A. Then we're going to go from P to S, which we already know is 3B. So we can write the positive vector first, so it's 3B minus A. Now we're going to do this example. So the vector OT is A, TP is B, and we are told M is the midpoint of OP. Now we answer part A. Now O to P, so we first go to T, so that's going to be A. Then you go to P from T, so that's B. But OM is half of OP. So therefore it's half of A and it's half of B. Or we can write half as a common factor. Then in bracket you write vector A plus vector B. Now part B, we need to find vector Tn. So here's T and we have to go up to N. So we need this vector. We can always go from T to O. So that's like minus A. So the vector Tm, so we're going to be minus A, but then O to M, which we already know, is half A half B. Then we simplify this. So this is the positive part, half B. Then minus A plus half A is minus half A. We'll be like half as a common factor outside, then vector B minus vector A in bracket. You can also do this, the vector Tn, if we go in this direction first. So we go to P, so that's going to be vector B. Then from P to M, so this is the negative of OP. So whatever we had here is going to be the negative of this. So that would be minus half A, then minus half B. When you simplify this, you get the same answer. Half in bracket vector B minus vector A.